Hi, this is attorney Stephen Spano.
And I'm attorney Andrea Witt with a legal and financial minute or two. When your spouse or partner dies, you may lose your best friend, your circle of friends, and your sense of self.
And without excellent planning, you may also lose a lot of money. That money may force you to significantly change your standard of living.
If your spouse or partner was still working when they died, you lost that income. And if your spouse or partner was retired, you lost a monthly Social Security check. In either case, it may be a big adjustment.
During pre-retirement planning, it's extremely important to consider the possibility that one of you will survive the other by many years. You should create a plan to determine how that survivor will remain financially healthy, because at that time there are many diverse options available to provide the income to the survivor. But beware of financial professionals that try to line their own pocket by urging soon-to-be retirees to make the wrong retirement decisions that are irreversible and can rob a surviving spouse of their future.
If your spouse recently passed away, depending upon your age and employment status, there are Social Security options available that can provide for greater income in the future. Do not make a hasty Social Security decision without consulting an impartial expert.
By the way, there are also tax options for retirement plans that are only available in the calendar year in which your spouse has died. But acting in haste can be dangerous. If your spouse or partner has died, it's important to retain a professional who is not motivated by a commission or trying to sell you something to review all your options.
One common problem we regularly see with spouses who die in their 50s is one where a financial professional coerces the surviving spouse to quickly roll over the deceased spouse's 401k into an IRA, which prevents the survivor from withdrawing the funds without paying a 10% penalty and sometimes paying a hefty 15% surrender charge on top of the penalty.
Our advice is to develop an efficient plan with an unbiased professional to provide for a surviving spouse and increase the chances that those you love will be able to live out their life comfortably.
The moral of today's legal and financial minute or two is to think about retirement, since it is likely to be 1/3 or more of your life.
Remember, all lawyers and law firms are not the same. Seek out an expert law firm to protect you and your family.
We hope this legal and financial minute or two has helped you and those you love to protect your health, your assets, your income, and preserve your way of life.
If you have something you would like us to address in one of our segments, or have any questions on this or another legal or financial topic, feel free to call or text Spano and Dwicky at 781-231-7800 or email us at help@spanodwicky.com.